I started thinking, you know, I went through college for 3 degrees. And the more information that I started looking at what you guys supplied, I thought to myself, you know, back in that day, I'm not sure exactly how much college was per semester, but I know this. If somebody was to go through what you guys provide, that would basically turn into a 4-year degree for the cost of 1 semester.
Wow, what a testimonial. Doug's
You
gonna
know,
love that.
there's no other way really to look at it, because I don't know how many guys actually go to college. I would think there's probably quite a few. But when you take a look at the amount of hours that you put in for class or classes for 1 semester, the amount of time that you spend to get to the end of 1 semester would have saved you a lot of time if you just would have stuck into going through 3 days worth of information that you supply and leaving the open door, as you described, 24/7. You got any questions, you call. And that 1 semester of college would have saved me a lot of time. It would have made me a lot more money, a lot faster.
Wow, thank you. I got to tell you, when we started GCExperts, the idea was to take anybody in the construction industry and shortcut them into the federal market. And I mean, it just, what you just said sounds like there's mission accomplished, you know? I mean,
Oh, yeah.
the idea was to replace us in the marketplace, and you're a perfect example of replacing us in the marketplace.
Well, that is true to a certain extent, because you get, but the only thing is that you're dad and you can't be replaced. Because there's always going to be something next week that I'm going to have a question about, and who do I call and ask?
Sure.
It's like you said, the amount of expertise that you've got, that you bring to the table. It's that one semester of class that everybody can attest to would save a lot of time and make them a lot more.
Is that phone ringing on your side?
Yeah, hang on a second.